What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As always, I know it's been a while, but I'm here in the SC and I'll be fixing my trunk struts or the lifts. I don't know what to call them exactly, but yeah. Also, I've been working on the interior of the SC and I have not updated you guys at all. I wrapped and did the dash and the steering wheel. Yeah, I did not record any of it. I did make like a YouTube short, but it was like an Instagram video of the steering wheel, the quick release steering wheel. I'm not gonna lie, I thought I would be like doing the steering wheel sooner, because you guys remember the first video when I introduced the SC? Oh, the steering wheel was so gross, bro. It was so gross. I kind of suck at updating with these videos and all that. But I'm here in the SC. Today I'll be fixing my trunk struts, lifts, but my trunk will not open like by itself. Even my last SC was like that. So yeah, I'm gonna fix that. I still have to do my carpet, like I have to do my carpet black because it's really bugging me now. Yeah, and I took my passenger seat out because it was raining here in LA. Like, we never get rain, but like we got rain. And my whole shit was like flooding right here. It was like, oh, what the hell was that? It was like a huge ass puddle. But yeah, that's why I took out my passenger seat. I just used wood, and I'm hoping this shit won't fall on me. Okay. So this is how I've been keeping my trunk open. I mean, I only use one, but I don't want it to fall on me while I'm working on it, so yeah. I'm gonna put all these in the back seat. So you're going to need to remove this, first of all. So I'm gonna do that. I swear, if this trunk falls on my head. I think it's a 12 or 14 millimeter, but you're going to have to loosen this and then pry that one down there. These two. I think it's a 12 or a 14. Let me see. I'm gonna try 12 first. It's here. It's definitely 12. And this should just come right off. And then you just pry those two metal pieces. Let me zoom in. those two with the flathead. Do I have one here? I think it's inside. These are the replacements I got. Flathead. I'm gonna do this with one hand, but let's see if I can. Let me try with my right hand. There you go. This is the old one. I'm just gonna open up the new one, and it should have came with this. I don't know what to call this. The ball something. But it should have came with this and a little washer. So let's go put this on. This is gonna go right here. I'm not using any like Loctite or anything. I ain't got time for all that. This one I don't think is a 12. This feels way smaller. Actually no, this is a 12. Tighten that up. Okay, that's tight. New one here. This is going to just simply snap onto that, and this will clip onto there. But the thing is, I may have to remove this bumper stop to get full clearance. I don't know, let's see. Oh shit, look, that bumper stop's already off. Okay. So yeah, I need to remove the bumper stop. Oh shit, that's gone forever. I don't know how I'm gonna keep this trunk open now. This is so sketchy now. Alright, and it's in with just that one. It stays up by itself. Hey. Alright. Same thing to the other side. Take that off and pry that side off. I lost my 12 mil. There it is. Way too impatient for this shit. Can I do this by hand? Got it. Just a little bit more. Got the new one. I just realized that I put this one on backwards, and I am not gonna deal with that right now. So yeah, I'll deal with it if it comes off or if I have to change it again, but yeah, I'm not doing that right now. I am sorry. Look, Ma, no hands. Alright, y'all, so I did the trunk. It opens, but like, and it stays up by itself, but I thought it would like pop up. Maybe it's just the lifts that I got, or the struts that I got. I don't know, but that shit works. I don't have to use wood anymore. I'm happy about that. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Just a short little vlog or whatever. But yeah, I'll try to keep you guys updated as much as I can. I be forgetting. Like, I forget to record stuff, or I don't know. Like, when I did my quick release steering wheel, I did that shit like at nighttime, and it was dark. So like, I didn't even record it. I just made like that little short that I posted for the Instagram video or whatever. Alright, so that's all for today's video. I'm about to get my day started. But yeah, if you guys haven't already, make sure you subscribe and like, drop a comment. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see, because I need to make more videos. But yeah, hopefully I'll probably do my carpet soon, because that's just bugging me. Yeah, I'll see you guys soon.